Today we're going to do a quick video on how to install body side molding, or sometimes called belt line molding. First thing you want to do is run some tape along the body, matching up with the old. Nice and straight. And then make sure you like it before you put the molding down. If you're happy with how straight it looks, you're ready to install the molding. Now we just peel the tape on the molding a little ways down. And this isn't exactly the same, but like I said before, it's an old wood truck, a wood hauling truck. And we're just going to line it up with that tape as we go along. And you can pull it back off a little bit if you need to. And that's it. You can heat it up with a heat gun or a blow dryer if it's cold out, and it'll mold to the body. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on how to install body side molding. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.